What you need to do is do your recon work in the environment that you're choosing to invest in. You need to start building up your team.
Now you got to go out there and you got to get the best ones you can find.
I'm gonna give you guys some sauce. I call it the starting five. These 5 people are the most important people on your team. The most important people on your team. Number 1 is your funding source. What's your funding source? Your funding source could be your hard money lender, your private money lender, a regular conventional bank, your employment, your 401k. Maybe you are out here hustling. I don't know. Maybe you robbed the bank. Maybe you hit the lottery. You got your funding source. That's number 1. What does your funding source do? Your funding source starts to give direction to the rest of the people on your team. Who's number 2? Number 2 is gonna be your realtor.
It was $35,000, right?
$35,000 cash money?
No, I give $35,000 plus 1, right?
The one I gave.
No, you gave me 6 though, right? That was 1. I had 1, it was 6, and the $35,000 plus 1 plus 6 leaves 7. $35,000 and 7, right? Motherfucker, can you buy that?
So your funding source validated how much you are fundable for, which then gives you direction to direct your realtor. Your realtor's the one that's the boots on the ground that's gonna do the work for you. You understand?
Yep.
They're gonna be the ones that's gonna identify based off of what you are capable of funding so that you're not wasting your time. What's number 3 is your contractor. Don't ask me how to hit a hammer. Don't ask me to splice any wiring or plumbing because I'm gonna burn the property down. I know nothing about how to do that. I don't need to know how to do it. The people that work for me does. Let them do the work. So from the realtor's my contractor's gonna be the person that's gonna validate to me the quality of property and what's needed to do to the property to make it what I'm ultimately looking for it to be. The ugly duckling to something beautiful. What's number 4 on your team is your attorney. What's your attorney gonna do for you? Your attorney's gonna protect you. Your attorney's gonna make sure all your T's and all your T's are crossed and all your I's are dotted. Gonna fine tune and go through your contract and make sure that you, the attorney's client, is protected. Right?
Yep.
Gonna make sure that the title is clear, and if it's not clear, make sure you understand why it's not clear, et cetera, and say to you, do you wanna proceed or not? They educated you. Am I right or wrong?
That's a fact.
And your last member on your team is your accountant. What's your accountant gonna do for you? Check out all the numbers, make sure Uncle Sam, your biggest debtor, gets his cut, minimizes what you owe, make sure that you pay what you have to pay, and let you know come the end of the year, are you winning or not? Those are the 5 most important people on your team. Everything else is an extension of those people. When you understand how to utilize those people, you understand how to pimp those people, I teach the people the game on how to do that.
It's big business. And it's been going on since the beginning of time. And it's going to continue straight ahead till somebody up there turns out the lights on this small planet.
You let them do the work for you. So that's what I would tell somebody is, start building out your team. Start educating yourself because everything starts with you first. Because you gotta be the one to be able to delegate these people. From delegating these people, make them do the work for you. And if they don't, you fire them. I love this country because there's opportunities everywhere. Mm-hmm. So everywhere is a good place to buy, as long as you buy right.
Can you dig it?
Yeah, I can dig it, yeah.
Right.